What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and it looks like I'm currently bald because Christina just replaced this headliner in the Frontier with Alcantara. She also spray painted all of these trim pieces and she kicked it out of the park. It looks really good. It looks like professionally done. But now I'm bald. Anyways, today we are gonna be changing out these. These are like the original keys on the Mustang. They're not the best looking thing in the world. They just need to be updated a little bit. So I went on to eBay and I picked up these right here. This is the box they came in. So this is the key right here, and I got these off of eBay. I do not like the little logo right there. It looks kind of cheap. It feels high quality, but it looks cheap. But I love the buttons. Everything is just more up to date. The clicks feel high quality. All around a much nicer looking key than OEM keys. And with this button, they flip up. So we are gonna go get these cut right now. I think we're gonna go to the dealership or Home Depot. And then after that, we have to take both of these keys home and program them to the Mustang. Christina just notified me that she is changing out the wheels on the Mercedes. But we came home to pick up the floor jack. Do you have any earplugs?
Why?
We made it to Ford and we got to track down the parts department.
Hello.
Looking to get these cut. Yeah. And just like that, you guys, we got the keys cut and made. And now we're gonna go home and we're going to program them to the Mustang. Just like that, man.
Oh, really?
$5 a key.
That was nice.
Easy. Look at those. Oh,
that was pretty quick. I'm actually surprised they even had the machine.
I know. Let's just take a quick look at the before and after, you guys. It's just a lot cleaner than the old key. So super excited. It feels high quality. It feels dense. It's just, I think the key to a car gives the driver a sense of importance. All right, you guys, so it's currently the next day. We are back from the dealership, and you have to have both keys in order to program the new ones. So you have to have both master keys, or the master key and the spare key. Here are the new keys right here. I have two of these as well, but we're gonna program these keys to the vehicle's accessories, and then we're gonna program them to the ignition of the vehicle. So there's two steps you have to do. It's real quick and easy, and then we're gonna see if the programming process works. This may be kind of difficult because one of my original keys is kind of splitting in half. So in order for the chip and the actual electricity inside of the key to work, I have to push it together. In terms of programming the vehicle, we're gonna do that right now. It's gonna take 2 seconds. I'm gonna show you how to do it. This lighting is very bad, by the way, so my apologies. But we're gonna start with one key. You can go in the ignition, which you kind of can't see. How am I gonna do this, you guys? So we're gonna turn it on and off 8 times. And on the 8th time, we're gonna leave it in. So we're gonna go. So now you hear the lock cycle go, and then you're gonna press the unlock button on the key right here. And it's gonna honk once. You're gonna press it on the other master key. And then you're gonna reach over here and grab your 2 new keys and do the same thing. Press the unlock button. And press the unlock button on this one. And just like that, the keys have been programmed to the accessories. So your trunk, your lock button, your horn, your unlock button. Pretty simple. But now we're gonna connect these to the ignition. So to complete this process, this is also pretty straightforward and simple. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the factory key here and we're gonna stick it in and we're gonna turn it onto the auxiliary position. You're gonna see the security light right there, and it just turned off. So now we're gonna turn that off. We're gonna take the next one, the next factory key, do the same thing. Wait for it to turn off. Turned off. And now we're gonna do the same thing with our first aftermarket key. Wait for it to turn off. And it is off. Just like that, it is programmed to the ignition of the vehicle, and now I have to repeat that again with the 2 factory keys and the second aftermarket key. So I just finished programming to the ignition, and now, you guys, we have to make sure that the keys actually work. So let's try turning on the car. It works. And now let's try this one. And just like that, you guys, there you have it. We programmed 2 new keys, and I think it just cleans up the look, and I think the key just makes the vehicle feel so much higher quality. If you have a crappy key, the vehicle feels cheap as well. But I'd definitely say invest in some aftermarket keys. But nonetheless, appreciate you guys so much for watching. And of course, subscribe, like, you guys know the deal. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.